people. So, I just have to say this that, I spend a lot of my time on Instagram writing posts and all. So, uh, among the many posts I write, sometimes there are posts that are like really good, there's this gentleman, his name is Siddharth Dhakan. I'll type the name in the title. And his vlogs are so, like, I mean, I posted my first ever vlog of Siddharth Dhakan on my page, on Instagram page, and it was so entertaining. Yeah, it was just like an 8-minute vlog, I think. But like, he's literally taking us through the, like, local train and through the buses, and it's, यार vlog हो तो ऐसा. When I watch that particular vlog, and I don't know, when something is really nice, I like to probably sometimes even watch it on loop. So I saw the same vlog like half a dozen times, like at least 5 times on loop, because that's what I was uploading it on my page, so it had to go well and all. But really, Siddharth ji, I mean, yours is actually, this gentleman is he's the India's only manufacturer of uh, kazoo. It's a musical instrument. It's like a mouth organ. So you all should really check it out. Yeah, his page on Instagram is called the Kazoo Guru, and इतना अच्छा, इतना so unique, so different. I mean, like, I've come across many people who are singers and guitarists, and so many of these, like, lots of talents that are somewhat common. But Kazoo, this is now something unique. So you all have to check out his page. Yeah, it's Siddharth Dhakan. I mean, he has like 6 times as many subscribers as me, but मेरे को अच्छा लगता है in stating something that I feel is really nice, that everybody should visit. So do check out this page, yeah, because it is brilliant. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.